Hi guys, how's it going? It's Ben Cullen, the Bake King. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be making one of my favourite cakes that I've ever made. It's Darth Maul from Star Wars. When I was a child, I was a massive Star Wars fan. Me and my best friend used to go to all of the midnight showings with my dad. We'd dress up in full Jedi outfits and we'd have lightsabers and everything, fighting in the car park. Darth Maul's look is just amazing. I've always liked it. Like I said, this is one of my favourite cakes I've ever made. The colours just really work and it's just such a cool cake to make for anyone who loves Star Wars. So anyway, let's get going. The first thing that I do is stack my cake. I'm just stacking up chocolate cake for this. I'm just going to carve it down into a basic face shape. I did this the weird way around actually, because often you'll layer the cake with the ganache or the filling in between and then you'll carve the cake. But for some reason I stacked this cake, carved it, then I took the stacks apart and filled it with the ganache. The good thing about this cake is you don't have to get the features exact, because all of the detail that goes on the face really hides the face features anyway, but you just need to get that basic shape face. So get up a reference photo as always, and I'm just going to carve the cake down first of all into a basic male face shape. I'm using white chocolate ganache for this cake that I've coloured red, just so that it really pops and suits the rest of the look of the cake when I cut it. Once I'm happy with the face shape, I'm just going to cover the whole thing in ganache and then just one layer of chocolate ganache as well. Now I'm just going to build up more precise features using sugar paste. Again, I'm using red sugar paste just so it fits the whole colour scheme for this cake. I'm just going to roll out some red sugar paste and drape that right over the top. This is going to be the finished outer shell of this sort of skin of the cake, so you don't want any blemishes on this part really. So get this sugar paste as smooth as possible and then start adding the detail with my Dresden tool. In this part it's more important to get the details a bit more close to the exact look of Darth Maul. So try and get the mouth the same sort of frown, the eyes, you know, slight angry look. Take your time and just add all those details just to get it as close to Darth Maul's look as possible. This bit I was so excited for, this paint job on the face. I just couldn't wait to do it. It's so cool. It's very similar to tattoos. Sit down, take my time and try and get this face paint perfect. I love the look of Darth Maul's patterns on his face. I really enjoyed painting them, so I've just used some black powder colour and painting on all those details on the face. This is where the cake really transformed from just a red head of anyone to Darth Maul. White sugar paste to pop in for the eyes and then start adding the detail. Darth Maul's eyes are sort of yellow in the middle with like red outer. Just use some Spectrum Flow water-based colours for this. Yellow for the middle and then just red around, and just dragged it in with a thin paintbrush. And then back to my black, I filled in the pupil. Once I was happy with that whole paint job, I just added the horns. I just used some white sugar paste for this. And then I'm just painting on a little bit of a light brown colour. And then I just flicked away at the base of them with my black paint again. And that's it guys, it's finished. I absolutely loved making this cake. I thought it looked so cool. And yeah, the end results were just so effective. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I loved making this one. And as always, if you make any of the cakes that you see me make on my channel, then please send them over to me. I'd love to see what you guys make. I'll see you all on the next cake video.